Hey guys, what's up? It's another weekend here in Gilbert, Arizona, where the sun's always shining and the sky's always blue. So today we're going to be installing the N2itive Lowering Links on my 2022 Tesla Model S Plaid. As you can see, the car's already pretty damn low. So the car is on air suspension and has a bunch of different settings for height, and this is the low setting. And in the low setting, you can see, there's really little wheel gap, and these are on the factory 19. So when we step up the wheels, it's going to look a lot better. But we're going to drop it a good 1.5 inches all around. I think the rear is going to go a little bit more of a drop than the front. So we're going to set it to -7 front and -8 in the rear, just because the lowering links are completely adjustable. So on the fly, well, not on the fly, but you can just spin. There's a little dial on it, and you could just spin it without having to take them off, and you can adjust the height up or down. So it's pretty sweet. It's the only lowering link on the market that's completely adjustable like that. Just want to give you guys one more shot of how it sits on the factory links. So here's the rear, and then we go to the front. Definitely not bad. And then we'll step back. And then we'll do a comparison once the links are on. Had to move the wife's Trackhawk out of the garage. I don't think I've ever showed you guys this this little truck on the channel. This is a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Wrapped by Color Bomb in Avery Satin Dark Basalt. It's like a dark charcoal gray color, almost like the Satin Dark Gray, but has a little more pearl in it. And then it's got the factory yellow Brembos, obviously, variant argons and brushed titanium. They're super dirty right now, but when they're clean, they look insane. It's lowered on iBox springs, muffler delete. Has vibrant resonators welded in place. I actually have a little video here on my channel from a while ago, just showing what it sounds like on a cold start. And then it's actually got Corvette Corsa exhaust tips. I had these custom added and welded on just because they're the only quad tips on the market that come in 4.5 inch versus 3.5 or 4 like every other quad tip setup. And of course, my 2020 Raptor that the Plaid is replacing. This truck will be for sale soon, so comment or message me if you're interested in it. All right, got the Tesla in the garage. I'm about to jack it up. Just want to show you guys also what the lowering links look like. So these are the N2itive Lowering Links. They come in this nice little matte gloss black box. I already played with one of them, so one of them's a little longer, but they're super nice. As you can see, they have markings on them, so you know exactly what setting they're put at. And yeah, gonna be a really easy install. I think they quote something like 45 minutes or something like that. So it's literally as simple as jacking the car up. I'm just gonna remove the wheels, remove the old links, swap these in, and good to go. All right, guys, got the front wheel off. Just want to show you guys what we're replacing. So I don't know if you can see that, but right here is the factory link. And then this right here will be the N2itive link. And by lengthening this distance, the longer you go, the lower the suspension drops. All right, guys, all done with the first link. As you can see, they said it doesn't matter which way you put it on. So you could either have, this side be over here or this side here. It doesn't matter. So they're completely reversible. I have mine sitting so that you can see the exact adjustment. As you can see, it's 2 notches under -5, so this is -7 front. I want to show you guys on the back where the link sits. So you can see I already have it in, but it's right there. Little more difficult to access, but super easy. 10 minutes once the wheel's off, and that's taking your time. So yep, good to go. All right, here we go. Just pulled it out of the driveway, put it in the low position, and holy smokes, that looks amazing. Look at that. That thing is low. I love it. Perfect settings. And this on 19s. Imagine it on 20s. It's It's gonna look so sick. Oh man, let's take it for a drive. Here she is, guys. So this is installed on the factory 19s with the N2itive Lowering Links set at -7 front, -8 rear. That looks so sick. Oh, I love it. It could probably even go a hair lower in the back, but I'll see once the new wheels are on. The nice thing about these links is you don't need to take them off to adjust them. So literally when I put the new wheels on, if I don't like how it sits, just twist the knob and it goes lower. Looks so sick. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Oh, this is how it should have came from the factory. Just cruising. So a couple things. So I've had the Tesla now, it's a week yesterday, and falling more and more in love with it every day. The sound system in this thing is just insane. It's got 22 speakers. Not sure if you guys can tell, but it is like a theater in here. It's super sick. The sound system is probably the nicest sound system I've ever had in any car. It sounds really, really good. Also, I've been playing with some of the settings, so now it's pretty sweet. When I turn the turn signal on, your blind spot camera comes on. Super sick. And then it comes off as soon as the turn's done, obviously. See? Alright, should we do a little pull? I think so. Alright, as always, we gotta do a little pull. We're in a Plaid, so why not? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my Jesus. Oh shit. That just never gets old. Man, sorry for my language. That just, it takes you by such surprise because you're just gone when it hits. Oh, it's so much fun. Alright guys, so that's it for our video today. So we lowered the Plaid on the N2itive Lowering Links. Again, -7 front, -8 rear. Drives amazing. Zero noises, zero quirks, no error messages. Just a good, you know, 1.25 inches lower than it was. Next week, she's going in for a full wrap at Color Bomb Wraps. And she's gonna look very, very different soon. I got wheels already on order, so once the wheels and wrap are on, I think she's pretty much done. She's already tinted, already got the stars in the headliner, so you know, there's not many performance mods you can do to these. I know Unplugged Performance sells a big carbon ceramic brake kit, but I mean, the brakes are, you know, fine on it for what I'm doing. I'm not tracking it or anything like that. It's just a daily driver, so it's plenty for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you later.